Hello guys, this is Muhammad Rafiq with you. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to fix the Roblox error which is disconnected same account launched experience from different device. Reconnect if you prefer to use this device and error code 264. Why this error? There are many things behind this error. Main reasons are you are logging with many devices, or you joined a game too quickly after you left a game, or some Roblox cache issue, or internet slow, or internet related issue. There are many methods to fix this error, so let me show you how to fix this error. Method 1, log out from all connected devices. For that, just open your Roblox player and click on this 3 dots, and here just click on settings and click on security. And just scroll down, there you can see logout of all other sessions. Just click on it and click logout. Now it will log out from all the devices which is you login. After that, try to log in again and check whether the issue resolved or not. Method 2, you joined a game too quickly after you left from a game. Don't do like this. If you are playing one game and you want to exit and play another game, just wait for some time before starting new game. Because after you exiting the game, Roblox server need some time to save your data. So within that, if you open another game, it will give you this error. Method 3, clear Roblox cache. For that, first you have to close Roblox and just right click on taskbar and click on task manager. And here you have to make sure that Roblox not running on the background. If it is there, just select and click on end task. After that, just click on start menu and type run here and select and type %temp% and click OK. It will open a temp folder, and here you have to find Roblox folder. Okay, just select and delete. Now the folder is deleted. After that, try to check whether your issue resolved or not. Now let us see how to fix internet related issues. So method 4, reset TCP IP. For that, just click on start menu and type cmd, and there you can see command prompt and click on run as administrator. Click yes. It will open a command prompt window. Here you have to type the following commands, and all the commands I will put in a video description. You can find there. So first command is netsh winsock reset, enter, and next command netsh int ip reset. Next command ipconfig / release, enter, Next command ipconfig / flushdns. Next command ipconfig / renew. Hit enter. Now if any issue related to TCP IP, it will be resolved. Method 5, disable proxy in LAN settings. For that, just click on start menu and type control panel. Just click on it, and here just click on internet options, and it will open internet properties window, and here just click on connections, and here click on LAN settings, and under proxy server, make sure that this box is not checked. You have to always this on unchecked. If it is checked, just uncheck and click OK. After that, try to check your internet issue, and also check the Roblox issue resolved or not. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful for you, hit like and share, and subscribe for future videos.